Pandey from class 3rd B. Today I am going to tell about my project. My project is telling about famous English poets. First poet name is W.B. Yeats. He is from country Ireland. His work is Irish poet. Second poet name is Charlotte Bronte. She is from country England. Her work is English novelist. Third poet name is Oscar Wilde. He is from country Ireland. His work is classical scholar and poet. Fourth poet name is Rudyard Kipling. He is from country England. His work is English journalist. Fifth poet name is Sylvia Plath. She is from country America. Her work is short story writer. Sixth poet name is William Shakespeare. He is from country England. His work is author of Merchant of Venice. Seventh poet name is John Milton. He is from country England. His work is political philosophy. Eighth poet name is Charles Dickens. He is from country England. His work is English novelist. Ninth poet name is John Keats. He is from country England. His work is romantic poet. 10th poet name is Robert Burns. He is from country Scotland. His work is Scottish poet. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Arush Rawat. I study in class 3rd A. Today I am going to telling about prose in literature. What is prose? The word prose comes from the Latin expression prosa oratio, which means straightforward and direct speech. Definition of prose. Prose is a form of writing which has a natural flow with speech and writing. Examples: everyday communication, lecture, speech or address, short story, novel, essay, newspaper. Types of prose. Non-fiction prose. This type of writing presents and explains ideas or that tells about real people. Examples: autobiographies, biographies. Fictional prose. Fiction refers to literature created from the imagination. Examples: short story, novel. Thank you. Have a nice day.
मेरा नाम विद्या है। मैं कक्षा 3B में पढ़ती हूँ। मैंने अपनी परियोजना वीर रस की प्रसिद्ध कवित्री के बारे में तैयार की है। सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने गुप्ती ठानी थी, बुरे भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जवानी थी, गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगे को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी, चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुख हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। यह पंक्तियां हिंदी जगत की प्रसिद्ध कवित्री सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान की है। उनका जन्म 16 अगस्त 1904 को उत्तर प्रदेश के प्रयागराज जिले में हुआ था। उनको बचपन से ही कविता और कहानियां लिखने का शौक था। झांसी वाली रानी, खिलौने वाला, वीरों के कैसे हो बसंत और मुकुट और राह कदम का पेड़ उनकी रचनाओं में शामिल था। वह असहयोग आंदोलन में भाग लेने वाली पहली महिला थी। भारतीय डाक ने उनकी स्मृति पर एक डाक टिकट जारी किया है और उनके समान भारतीय तट रक्षक सेना ने अपने एक जहाज का नाम ICGS सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान नाम दिया है। दुर्भाग्यवश उनका निधन 15 फरवरी 1948 को एक कार एक्सीडेंट में हो गया था। उनकी रचनाएं देश प्रेम की भावनाओं से ओतप्रोत हो गई हैं, जो आज भी हमें रोमांचित कर जाती हैं। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते मैम और मेरे प्रिय दोस्तों, मेरा नाम इजलावत सिंह है। मैं कक्षा 3 में पढ़ती हूँ। मैंने अपनी हिंदी परियोजना रामायण विषय पर तैयार की है। रामायण हिंदुओं के मुख्य धर्म ग्रंथ है। रामायण की रचना महर्षि वाल्मीकि जी ने संस्कृत भाषा में की थी, जिसका हिंदी में अनुवाद गोस्वामी तुलसीदास जी ने किया। क्योंकि अधिकांश भारत में अवधी भाषा का चलन था, जो बोलने में और समझने में सरल थी, इसलिए तुलसीदास की रामायण में अवधी शब्दों का प्रयोग अधिक है। रामायण ग्रंथ से मिलने वाली सीखें इस प्रकार हैं। बुराई पर सदैव अच्छाई की ही विजय होती है। रिश्तों का महत्व सुख और ऐश्वर्य से बढ़कर होता है। सच्ची लगन सदैव सफलता लाती है। क्षमा करने बदला लेने से अधिक मूल्यवान है। जीवन में सफलता पाने के लिए सबके साथ एक समान व्यवहार करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम गौरी है। मैं कक्षा 3B में पढ़ती हूँ। मैंने संस्कृत हिंदी की जननी विषय पर परियोजना तैयार की है। संस्कृत विश्व में बोली जाने वाली सबसे प्राचीन भाषाओं में से एक है। संस्कृत देव भाषा है और ये सभी भाषाओं की जननी है। वेदों की रचना इसी भाषा में होने के कारण इसे वैदिक भाषा भी कहा जाता है। ऋग्वेद संस्कृत भाषा में लिखा गया पहला काव्य ग्रंथ है। प्रतिवर्ष संस्कृत दिवस श्रावण मास की पूर्णिमा को मनाया जाता है। वर्तमान समय में संस्कृत का उपयोग केवल पूजा पाठ और पाठ्यक्रम पुस्तकों तक सीमित है। संस्कृत एक सुंदर भाषा है और इसमें अनेक विशेषताएं हैं। इसने हमारे समाज को प्राचीन काल से समृद्ध किया है। हमें इस विरासत को पुनः सिरोधार्य करना होगा, तभी इस भाषा का विकास एवं उत्थान संभव है। धन्यवाद।
My name is Suryansh SS. I am from class 3rd A. Today I am going to speak about nautical miles and compass. Nautical mile. The distance on land is generally measured using units like meters and kilometers. Similarly, distance over sea or air is measured using a unit called nautical mile. One nautical mile is defined as 1 minute of latitude measured along any longitude. Nautical mile in short we can write as NM. 1 NM is equal to 1.85 kilometer. Now we move to the next topic, compass. Compass is an instrument used for navigation by land, water or air. Compass always points towards the earth's north, thereby helps in identifying north, south, east, west at any place on earth. Thus, compass provides a traveler orientation of direction during day, night and even in bad weather. I think you all have understood. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, HMM and my dear friend. I am Arshit Thakur of class 3rd B. This is my fraction model. What is fraction? Fraction represents equal parts of whole. This is 4 parts of dark green color. One part covered, it become 1/4. 2 part covered, it become 2/4. 3 part covered, it become 3/4. 4 part covered, it become 1. Equal parts of 4. This is 8 parts of pink color. 1 part covered, it become 1/8. 2 part covered, it become 2/8. 3 part covered, it become 3/8. 4 part covered, it becomes 4 by 8. 5 part covered, it becomes 5 by 8. 6 part covered, it becomes 6 by 8. So on. Thank you.
I am Arvita of class 3rd A. I am highly excited to present my project in front of you all based on the working of seismograph. Now what is seismograph? Seismograph is an instrument that measures and records details of earthquake such as force and duration. For seismograph preparation, we need the materials like medium-sized cardboard box, paper, scissors, rubber bands, marker, etc. Let me show you how it works. Make strings of rubber bands and arrange crossed over box. After that, we have place a paper inside the box and place a marker inside the chain. When the earthquake comes, it draws the line according to the force. Hope you all liked it. Thank you all. Have a pleasant day.
My name is Somaran of class 3rd A. I have made this project of magnetic levitation. I have made this using magnet, color and wood. In this, an object shuttle is floating without support other than magnet. This method is used by train maglev and contact this melting. Thank you.
I am Aradhya from class 3rd B. Today I am going to tell about great universities of ancient India. The first one is Nalanda University. Nalanda University was situated in Bihar. The university was established by Gupta dynasty back in 5th century. There were over 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers. There were over 9 million scrolls and books in the great library of Nalanda. The next one is Takshashila University. This famous university was established in 700 BC near Rawalpindi, now in Pakistan. It was an important Vedic and Buddhist center of learning. Takshashila was specialized in the study of medicine. Panini, Kautilya and Charak were the products of this university. During 5th century, it was damaged by invasions. The next one is Vikramshila University. Vikramshila University was established during 8th century. This university was situated in Bhagalpur, Bihar. It was center of Tibetan learning, but the most important branch was Tantra. It was destroyed by the forces of Bakhtiyar Khilji around 1200. The next one is Vallabhi University. Vallabhi University was established in Gujarat at around 6th century. This university was popular for its training in secular subjects. Courses of law, business, political science and accountancy were also offered in this. In 2017, government started to consider a proposal to revive this ancient university. The next one is Somapura University. Somapura University was established during 8th century in Bengal. It was a major center of learning for Buddhism, Jainism and Sanatana. During 11th century, it was attacked, burnt nearly to the ground by the Ganga army. The site of this ancient university now in Bangladesh is also included in UNESCO World Heritage List. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello sir, HMM and my dear friends. Today I, Raghav from class 3rd B, will tell about Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization, also called Harappan Civilization, it is one of the earliest known urban culture of subcontinent. This civilization mature age appears to be about
2500 to 1700 BCE and lasted later to 2nd millennium BCE. The artifacts, crafts and art. Crafts of Indus Valley included pottery making, dyeing metal work in bronze and bead making. Next, small sculpture and seals made of stone, terracotta and bronze also appears to represent priests or government officials, dancing girl and perhaps mother goddesses. This beautiful sculpture known as dancing girl and made of bronze, and it is 10.5 centimeter long and 5 centimeter broad and currently present in National Museum in Delhi. Food. Harappans were hunter and gatherers, but in 4000 BC they become farmer and started growing wheat, barley, grains and cow, goat, sheep gave milk to them. The city planning was the best of that time. There are two main cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, with well organized and large walls and citadels made of baked bricks, but no signs of palaces, monument or temples. Thank you.
My name is Parambir. I study in class 3rd A. Today I will show you by greenhouse project. Solar radiation reaches the Earth atmosphere. Some of this is reflected back into space. Number 2. The rest of the sun's energy is absorbed by the land and the oceans, hitting the Earth. Number 3. Heat reflected from Earth towards space. Number 4. Some of this heat is trapped by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, keeping the Earth warm enough to sustain life. Thank you.